Hello, everybody. Today, we're doing some country stuff. Well, not really. I just like the music. But, we are driving a risky place. We're driving a risky place. That's all I'm gonna say. We're driving a car in a risky... I don't know. Okay. I'll just get the intro, I guess. Okay. So this objective is just to get as far as you can, I guess. Oh, goodness. Okay. So we're going in our truck. Okay. I don't know why I put all my lights off, but you know what I mean. All my lights are off. So, hopefully a ghost doesn't get me. That would be amazing content, though.
Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
I get captured by a ghost. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Oh, we're safe. Oh, no, we aren't. Yes, we are. No, yeah. Okay, we're safe. What is this guy doing? Uh-oh. Looks like that guy is not seeing... I don't know. He's not seeing the bigger picture. You know, guys, smash that like button in the face. Can I push this guy off? Uh-oh. We're gonna get got. Uh-oh. Yikes. Couldn't be me. Uh-oh. Maybe it could. Who's beeping? Now we're gonna have to do that all again. Nope! Oh, what are the controls? Yeah! Oh! Oh! Oh, he's gonna carry me all the way. Okay, never mind. Okay, we have to like ram this guy off the road. Okay. Need to catch up to this guy. Oh! Uh-oh. Oh no, he's gonna drag us down. Push and move. Oh yes! We did it! Okay, go! We need to go fast before the coppers get us. Oh yeah! Okay. We need to find a checkpoint. Oh! Uh-oh. Okay. This is hard. Harder than I thought. Not cool, I will say that. Okay. Come on. It won't go. It won't let me out. It won't let me go or let me out. Hello? I don't want that. I want the good one that won't not move.
There we go. Perfect.
Okay. Okay. So all we have to do is get to the end. Is this a checkpoint? Checkpoint. Oh, that's why. Okay. I pressed spacebar on accident. Okay. Let's continue on our rampage. Oh, no. Never in my 50 years of teaching have ever seen a car this way. We're the we have like a I don't know, a team of trucks on the way. I don't know. Where are like checkpoints, bro? Oh, they almost got me. What is that? Oh, how bad are these trucks? Can't even get up here. Oh, looks like someone got a little angry. Oh. Okay, they're stuck now, so we can roam free. Without any scaredness. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. Ow. Oh my gosh. How did I get through the first time? I'm angry now. Let me go. Okay. Okay, that's my music. Oh, they're trying to push me down. Uh-oh. Looks like they can't get in. Why are they backing up? Are they trying to, like... I think they're trying to ram into me. Did this guy intentionally get himself stuck? Okay. I'm gonna go slow and steady. Don't touch the rock parts. Or at least don't try to hit them at like a high speed. There we go. Okay, I got it. Oh, I got it. Okay, this is the scary part now. Okay. Can I do like a checkpoint? How do you do a checkpoint? I'm scared. Please let me do a checkpoint. Please let me do a checkpoint. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, over here. I see it. Okay. We're going. Oh! Are you serious? That's like double this. Okay. A little bumpy. Okay, that was bumpy, but I've been through worse. A little bumpy. That's a big bump right there. Oh, oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Oh, stop! Woo! What? No. Okay. No. Yes. Yes! We're doing it! We're actually real people, by the way. What was that? I hate this. Checkpoints are useless in this game because they all Oh yeah. I wish I could be a pro player. I'm gonna burp. Oh yeah, I'm gonna burp. Just kidding. Uh-oh, this guy's trying to do it alone. He's a lone wolf. Oh yeah. I need to smell my surroundings and taste my surroundings in order to be a pro at this game. Ah! Ah! Oh! 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 Okay. It's a good thing I got this part, like, fully mapped out in my brain. Okay, everybody? Uh-oh. Got that part fully mapped out, and I don't have to worry about it. Okay. Uh-oh, there's another player. Players don't mean good news. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Looks like he's taking a scary route, which is the fake hole, or the fake tunnel. Okay. Let's go. Oh! Whoa! Okay, we did that. We're doing this good, and we're doing this nice, okay? Woo! This is scary. We're doing it. Oh! I'm gonna cry. Okay. Oh, okay. We've been through this before. We can do it again. Okay. We can do it. We can do it. This is the hard part. And we passed the hard part. Okay. Now this is the sad bit that made me cry last time. It's making me cry again. Or if it does make me cry again, I'm gonna call the authorities. Oh! 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 Yes! Yes! We did it! We did it! Oh yes! Oh! Parking brake! Okay. I've almost forgot the parking brake. Anyways, if you guys want more of this game, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay. And guess what?